Start with a damp microfiber rag to wipe down your wall, paying close attention to the areas that dust collects. While the surface is drying, cut the vinyls into individual pieces. Make sure not to get too close, you could risk cutting the vinyl. Use painters or masking tape to start mapping out your desired layout. For best results, we recommend overlapping some of the vinyl pieces into the corners and the ceiling. The excess will be trimmed in later steps. Move any pieces around until you are happy with the result. Next, it is time to remove the paper backing and start applying the vinyls to the wall. For larger or more delicate pieces, rip the paper backing in half and apply the vinyl pieces in segments, leaving the transparent transfer tape intact. This is there to protect the vinyl and allow for easier install. To apply, start from the center of the vinyl, firmly pressing it onto the wall. Work towards the edge to help push air bubbles out. Next, it's time to remove the transfer tape. To do so, slowly lift while making sure the vinyl stays adhered to the wall. If you encounter air bubbles or creases, carefully lift the vinyl, making sure not to stretch or tear it, and simply reapply. For the vinyl pieces that are overlapped onto the other walls, follow the corner or the ceiling line to trim off the excess. Continue the application process of all the other vinyl pieces. Final step, tag us on Instagram so we can admire your work.